your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly up. And push forward to fly down. Weapons are online. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Now let's go get that galaxia. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed. Those heavy ties are protecting the train. Take them out! They've locked onto us. Take evasive action!
Come on, pilots! Come on! Come on!
Gunners, we need to defend ourselves.
Prende
Open
botón.
fire! Gunners, blast away! Blast! Ah, there it is. After that train. Flight engineer, fire the harpoon. Excellent. Now, gunners, shoot the cargo free. Left pilot, brakes. Oh, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. The power of the ship. Well, I have the galaxia. You see, just as I
Dale,
promised.
vamos, piloto, vamos.
Now that the resistance has what they need, maybe a little something from Hondo. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Get behind the train. Pilots, into the center.
Come
Do you
on.
see those big white trains?
Come on, pilot.
Come on. Gunners, shoot the train. I think I will let you tell the rules. Bunch. Oh, that's things are getting too hot. We've got to get out of here. Yes, a distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. Hurry. The Star Destroyer is collapsing.
Ingeniera, depende de nosotros. Nosotros ni se mueven.
Boost, boost, boost.
Vamos, Ale, vamos, dale, dale.
Let's get out of here.
Muy bien, muy bien. Que nota cuando le da la palanca,
Yes, Chewie will pilot us in remote. You retrieved one container of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is... Oh, that is rough. Whoa! Looks like we're ready